which of the following numbers is composite? So number 117. So pag sinabi nating composite, ibig sabihin lang yan ay not prime. Okay? So yung not prime. Kapag prime number, ibig sabihin ang factor lang ay 1 and itself. So alin ba dito yung composite or not prime? Pwede nating i-try agad ito, divisibility rule by 3. Kasi lahat odd numbers, 3, 7, 7, 3. So syempre kapag naging even number yan, automatic not prime yan. So i-try muna natin kung divisible by 3 kasi yun yung pinakamabilis. So i-add natin yung mga digits by inspection, makikita natin itong letter D. 9 plus 0 plus 3, that is equal to 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. So therefore, itong letter D, composite siya or not prime yan. Kasi 903 is divisible siya by 3. So hindi siya composite. So the correct answer is letter D, 903. So kailangan laging itatry natin pag not prime yung divisibility rule, madali yung 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay? So, follow for more.